you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have December's journal junk box and journal junk sack to show you. Do you want to know what's inside? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so December 2022 journal junk box and journal junk sack just arrived. They did send these to me for review, so thank you so much for sending me your boxes to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. You guys, I absolutely love seeing their theme. They always follow that theme by like the same colors or the same designs, that kind of thing, and so I absolutely love seeing what's inside. This one, you do have the full box and a mini. We'll go ahead and go with the full box, and then I will show you what will be in this one, and you can decide if you're interested which one is for you or for a gift. So let's go ahead and dive into this one. This is how the box comes, and I'm going to tell you, this is pretty hefty. It has some weight to it. It has some weight to it this month. I'm so excited. Let's go ahead and dive in. And let's see, dun, 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 dun. It says, hey, journal babe. And now, oh, it's like a little bookmarker. And it says, journal prompts for self-love. What makes me happy? What makes me feel alive? What's an accomplishment I can make to myself to love myself every day? How do I treat people that I love? Who can I give more love to? And it looks like you can use it like as a bookmark. And the other side tells you how you can refer a friend and have some credit for referring if you are a member. But that's really neat. You can use this as a bookmark, and it has some journal prompts for self-love on there. And then down in here, we have the two cards. One of them will say the journal junk box, and we'll go over their social media. And this month's theme is 'Tis the Season, December. On the back, it will go over the items that are inside of the box, and it will tell you your weekly journal prompts. So week 1, write about 3 holiday wishes. Week 2, what are you most thankful for this holiday? Week 3, what brings you joy? Week 4, write an encouraging letter to yourself. And I do like that they give you them for every single week instead of just one for the entire month. So there's your 4 different weekly journal prompts for, wait, it says November. Is this November or this has to be December, right? It says 'tis the season, December, but then here it says November journal prompts. Okay, I think this is all December. So those will be your prompts for December. Let's go ahead and cut the tape. Let's get a sneak peek to inside. Ooh, oh my gosh, that looks so festive for the holiday already. Look at that. Oh, you know what? I think I did see this. I did. On their Instagram, they show some spoilers here and there, and she did show this right here comes in different designs, and I'm like, oh my gosh, that is so cute. Mine says slay hair, don't care. How cute. And it is on the little wooden block. There's the back of it, and you can just set this up on any counter, on a shelf. You can put this anywhere. So festive, and I love that. Let me find, and again, it would come in several different prints and colors for this one. It would be assorted. It says Holiday Decorative Wood Block by Young's, valued for $8.50. And again, I think that is so cute. So there's item number 1. Now we have, it says self-sealing envelopes, peace, hope, and love. Are these going to be greeting cards? Yes, holiday cards, 20 cards plus 21 designer envelopes. I'm just going to say that, I've never seen one give you an additional envelope. It's always 20 cards, 20 envelopes. And normally every time there's one address that I mess up on and I have to throw the envelope out, and then now I have like a card that I don't have an envelope for. Now, if that happens with this set, I won't have to worry about that because they give you an extra envelope. I wish more people, like companies that did this, did that, because you don't know how many times I mess up an address. Then I have to throw the damn envelope away, and now I have a little card and I have no envelope, and they're not all the same sizes, so you know. But again, I think that is so neat. 20 cards and 21 designer envelopes. And that is the design on them. Super, super festive. And I like that they gave you a set of holiday cards. This says, holiday greeting small box card set of 20, valued for $10.99. And that is the back of them. And again, they're self-sealing, which that's also awesome. No licking or trying to figure that out. You just pull and stick. Now you have is warm wishes. We have stickers. Oh my gosh, and there's a lot on here. It says 223. There's 8 sheets. So here is the first sheet. You have more on the back. There's that. All those numbers. So here's a better image on the back of it. Sorry, my lights. Warm Wishes sticker book of 223, valued for $7.99. How cute! It's a to-do list with the little Christmas tree, and it's the black. It's like a black and red plaid design, and oh, and it has 2 big magnets. That's cool because a lot of mine only have like one small one, and sometimes after a while they'll start sliding down my fridge little by little. I'm like, hey, where are you going? This one has a big one up here and then another one down here. So that is really neat, and it's a thick one. There's a lot of pages there. So the only thing that I see with this brand name on it says Fashion Girl Holiday Pocket Notes. This just looks like a normal sheet of paper, so I don't know where the pocket note is. I don't see a pocket unless that's just the name of it. But this is a notepad, again, with the 2 big ol' magnets on the back. So you can stick this anywhere or just toss it in your drawer, leave it on your table, write your little notes down. So festive for the month. That is so neat. This says, if this is what it is valued for $5.99. How cute! 16 holiday gift tags, and look at that color. That is my favorite color with the teal. That is so cute. The back just shows like it has a to and from. Let me show you because I'm definitely going to be using these. It says holiday wreath gift tag set of 16, valued for $6.99. How cute. So they have like they feel like they're a thicker, like they're not like normal paper. It feels like it's a little bit thicker. And the back again has the to and from. Here is the front of them, nice and shiny on there. And then you have this that you can hang it on or tape it to your package or whichever. But those are super, super cute. I love that teal color. I don't know if they're all gonna be in teal or if they're set in different designs as well, but I'm loving this color for sure. And again, this is valued for $6.99. Holy moly, we still have a bunch of stuff in here. Now we have, it says Sleigh Ride, a natural hand-poured soy candle. How cute, it's a candle. It smells like winter. It just smells like winter. When you smell that, it just smells like winter. It says Sleigh Ride Scented Candle by the Happy Lotus, valued for $7. And it smells really good. Like I said, it definitely smells like winter. It smells like a Christmas tree, just winter. It just makes you, it just definitely makes you think of winter when you smell that. So I can't wait to burn that and have my whole house smelling amazing. Now we have is some washi tape, and it's in this really cute reusable bag that has snowflakes on it. And these 2 are, how pretty. That is what they look like. So you have one that is just the stripes, and then you have one that has like the little flowers on there. It says Assorted Warm Wishes washi tape, valued for $4.99. So these would be sent at random with the designs, but these are really, really pretty. I like all those little flowers, and I like the colors. We got the red, the orange, the deep greens, and then that one. So there's those 2, again, with the reusable bag. Now we have is a pin. It says Elam Ballpoint Pin. Hawthorne Street Pin, valued for $12.99. So that's what it looks like inside. It feels like there's some definite weight to it. You twist it to get the ink out, and it is black ink. twist it. And again, it feels really nice quality too. It's a nice pen. So you have that, again, valued for $12.99. And now we have the journal for the month. It says Master Plan. This is kind of like fuzzy material. It's super, super cute and definitely festive for this time of year. Master Plan, the man with master plan. And inside is all plain, so you can write whatever master plan you have brewing up in your mind. Write all your thoughts down. That is so cute. That is so cute. And this is a Plaid Preppy Journal by Elam Designs, valued for $14.99. So that is everything for the journal junk box. A quick recap: you have this journal for the month. You have this really nice ballpoint pen. You have a box of cards. You have a cute little wooden block with different sayings that could have been on it, so festive for the holiday. You have a smelling good candle, the washi tape. You have these really, really pretty package labels. You have this guy, and you have some stickers. All right, so that is everything for the journal junk box. Let's go ahead and dive in. Uh-oh, it says November on the back. Hopefully this is December, and that was just another brain fart for the month. Let's go ahead and dive in and see if this is the December box or if it's back to November. But this is the journal junk sack. So if you do like this type of products, but you don't want to go to the full box and pay this price, they give you a little sample version in the journal junk sack. And they're always different products. So if you got both, you're not going to have repeated items. And I love that. So let's go ahead and dive in and let's see what the sack brings us. Let's see what's in that sack. All right, so everything is down in here. Yes, I'm gonna say this is December because I see like a little holly wreath around the back image back here. So I'm gonna say, yes, this is December. Okay, so you have the journal junk sack with their social media. You do not get the card that goes over like the journal prompts and all of the stuff that's in here with the pricing on this one. You just get the products and then you have this card. So you have this one here. That's so pretty. Look at that. It says, our life is shaped by our minds. We become what we think. Joy follows a pure thought like a shadow that never leaves. And that's a very, very pretty image. And then it's all clouds on the back. Again, I'm not quite sure what you do with these, but you can always use the back for scrapbooking, or you can use this as a bookmark or whatever you would like. So there's that. You do have one washi tape, which will probably be sent at random. And this is the one that I received. It matches my shirt. That is definitely a great color for this season. And then the pin for this month is black and white. It says Believe. And there's like this little crown on the top with like a little rhinestone. And you click it. This one writes blue. So this one has blue ink and it says Believe. So there's that guy. Now it says Jolly Good Time. So it looks like you will have a greeting card in here. So you have one greeting card. So you still get a card in this one, which that's neat. Let's see if it's a blank card or if it says something on the other side. Let's see on through to the other side. It's blank. So you can write your own message right there, and you have the envelope. You do have this in here that does have the self-love prompts, so you can use this as a bookmark as well. And then the journal for this month, it says, 'Tis the season to be jolly. 'Tis the season to be jolly. Sorry again with my lights. And then down inside is just all blank. You can write whatever you would like. And then again, the back looks like that. So for the journal junk sack for December, you have the journal, you have the pen, the washi tape, you have a greeting card, and you have this. So that is everything that came in the sack. Normally we get like some stickers. This time there wasn't any stickers in this one, but that is what was inside of the journal junk sack. You guys comment down below. Let me know which one did you like better. Did you like both of them? Did you like some items from one versus the other? Let me know down below. If you would like more information about the Journal Junk Box or the Journal Junk Sack, I will let you know right about now. I do have my own code, which is SheCrafty, and that will get you 15% off the subscription boxes or their online shop. If you don't want to go straight to a subscription, they do purchase individual items. You don't need a subscription. You can shop their shop and purchase anything for yourself, gift ideas, stocking stuffers, that kind of thing. Everything will be linked down below. Journals, cute office supplies, and so much more you'll adore. Love decorating your office space with cute office things and get lost in creating? Want that positive push to finish your goals and be the best version of you? Then you'll love this box. The Journal Junk Sack Mini, if you do month per month, it's $27.95. 6 months will bring it down to $25.95, and a 12-month prepaid plan will bring it down monthly to $23.95. The Journal Junk Full Box is $52.99 month per month, $47.99 if you go to a 6-month plan, and $44.95 if you do a 12-month plan. Shipping is in addition to the monthly boxes. If you want to get both of them to spoil yourself for both, or get one for you, one for another, if you get them both combined in the bundle, it's $71.95 per month, and you can cancel at any time. And again, they have their online shop to get all the individual items if you would like to check that out as well. And SheCrafty will get you that 15% off. So that is everything that I have for this particular video. Again, comment down below and let me know what you thought about it. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.